Forensic entomology. It is the study of the insects associated with a human corpse in an effort to determine elapsed time since death. Insect evidence may also show that the body has been moved to a second site after death, or that the body has been disturbed at some time either by animals or by the killer returning to the scene of the crime. However, the primary purpose of forensic entomology today is to determine elapsed time since death. So when we say entomology, it is the branch of zoology dealing with the scientific study of insects. The Greek word entomon, meaning notch, refers to the segmented body plan of the insect. The zoological categories of genetics, taxonomy, morphology, sociology, behavior, and ecology are included in this field of study.
So nakikita yung life cycle of blue flies. Sabi ng forensic entomology, ito ay isa sa basehan ng mga scientists para malaman kung ilang oras na or ilang araw na yung isang patay. Mula sa eggs hanggang sa first stage na pagiging larva ay 23 hours. Sa first stage hanggang sa second stage ng larva ay 27 hours. Ang larva ay yung mga maggot. So, tatlong stage yung kung saan lumalaki sila. Then, after 130 hours, ay mapupunta sa pupay stage hanggang sa adult stage na kung saan magiging blue flies or mabubuo na naman at pwede na naman mangitlog. Variable affecting forensic entomology. Una, temperature. Kung malamig ang temperature, mas mabagal paglaki ng mga flies. Kapag mainit naman ang temperature, is mas mabilis ito dumami at lumaki. Number 3, location of the body. Body of bird or in underwater may hinder of use of forensic entomology. Number 4, climatic condition when they can decrease or suspend flight activities of blue flies. So yun nga, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ang insect ay isa sa basehan o pag-estimate nila kung ilang araw, ilang oras nila ay napatay ang isang tao.
Limitation and challenges. Weather, and number 1, weather. Seasonal changes can significantly impact the composition rates, affecting the estimation of the time since death. And number 2, forensic investigation required through analysis and can always yield immediate results due to the complexity of the process involved. And number 3, drugs in the body. Substances present in the body can alter the composition patterns and complicate determining the cause of death. Number 4, different treatment varied. Or post-mortem treatments such as freezing, burial, or rapina can obscure evidence and necessitate a specialized reporter to correctly convey findings despite these interventions.